Tell me
People
more.
to our left, our right. Sorry, that way. Go in, go in, go in.
Jesus.
You want me to just bandage?
Hit him, hit him. Move it. Sorry about that.
I'm gonna put ammo down on this pew.
Coming up there, guys, one moment.
Move.
Here, I'm gonna put some ammo up here.
Just a reminder of this ammo if you didn't see it.
Who put down a...
Put down a what?
I thought someone put down a...
Ooh.
Hello. Yeah, babe.
Take out that barrel. It wronged me. They're kind of to the north.
Two that direction, one that direction.
Yeah, they're kind of like 315 and also this corner here at 090. Back door. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Back hell window.
Hell window?
Back hell window. Damn it. Oh, yeah.
You ain't sneaking around in my parts. I'm really just trying to be a nuisance. Oh. I have lots of traps, guys. Stay away from window. Well, I'm just that one at least.
Yeah, there's one outside this window up here.
I've been working on the railroad. I have a long day. I'm working on the railroad.
Damn it. Ugh. Bees!
Eat my bees! They ate my bees.
Oh. Why did I not? Oh.
My bees just killed somebody.
Again?
I have it on camera. I can't wait to show you this clip.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it.
They chased him around and then he died. I have no words.
They're out in the front. Don't go out there. They got it. They got it.
There's 2 of them, yeah.
Guys, I need more barbed wire. I want to really piss them off.
I have no more ammo.
No, I know. I just am. Here I am.
Oh.
I like that song.
I need to bring the drilling more often, damn.
Bees!
Anybody else out here?
Yeah, there's 1 more. Do you have a flare gun, Arrows?
I do!
Can you hit that guy?
Oh, I did not realize there was a trap right there. Oopsies. Did I get him?
I don't believe
Try
so.
one more
I
time.
think the trap messed you up.
He's on this other side. Bees are chasing
No.
him on this left side. Or
I cannot. It barely doesn't go far enough. Okay. Bees, him. Okay, cool.
He's being chased by bees outside.
That's actually really funny. Now, partner, that was rather rude of you.
That was so rude.
Oh, sorry.
What do you think? Run for it, or...?
Indubitably. Damn.
Guys, he's around the corner. He's got like a, I don't know, something that took out almost all my health.
Wanna run?
Go, go, go!
Go, babykins. If any of those hit, I'm going to die laughing. I heard it.
Heard what?
The noise.
What noise? Oh, the air!
I have it recorded. At long last, we shall have documentation of the strange horse noise.
Goodbye!
Not the goodbye.
Goodbye!